Michigan hospitals are battling crowded facilities and staffing shortages. For weeks, we've heard about how already burnt out healthcare workers are in need of extra hands. Nurses at McLaren Flint tell TV5's James Felton they've lost hundreds of co-workers and the administration isn't doing enough.
Life is very sad at McLaren.
Registered nurse Claudia Tenor describing what she sees on the job at McLaren Flint. She says the hospital has seen at least 300 nurses walk out the door since March 1st.
We're physically and emotionally drained. The couple days ago was the first time I really had almost a panic attack in the elevator on my way up to my floor, thinking what's going to happen today.
Another nurse who didn't want to be identified over fear of losing her job tells me her concerns have fallen on deaf ears.
We've done everything that we possibly can to be transparent with our higher ups, telling them what exactly is going on. We don't see very much of them physically down in our department, so we're not entirely always sure what they're hearing about what's actually going on.
The nurse says patient care is suffering. She also claims that administrators at McLaren Flint don't want you to know about it.
They've recently told us that we are not supposed to be speaking with family or friends, or especially the public, about the situation in our hospital.
The nurse is pleading with officials at McLaren Flint to find a way to bring in more staff.
Put yourself in the position of that patient who is coming in with chest pain and they've been in the waiting room for 16 plus hours. What would you like to see, if you were the patient, or if your mother was the patient and knew that there were bed bugs in a waiting room, or that somebody may have died in the waiting room waiting for care?
McLaren Flint released a statement to TV5 saying that while the global workforce shortage, combined with the current COVID-19 surge, has strained all hospitals in Michigan, we are determinedly working to both recruit and retain staff to ensure we can continue to meet the community's healthcare needs. Over the past few months, we have implemented numerous incentive pay programs, retention bonuses for current team members, and recently launched a $1.5 million student loan forgiveness program to retain and recruit dedicated team members. As for Tenor, she tells me it's a daily struggle to get through every shift. Tenor doesn't want to add to the long list of nurses McLaren Flint has lost this year.
I am this close to leaving, but I don't want to leave. It's going to break my heart if I have to leave.
Reporting in Genesee County, James Felton, WNEM TV5.